Hello everyone. Today's question is 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. We'll solve this as 3 divided by 3. That becomes 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. That becomes 1, so 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 1. The answer comes out to be 1, but that's wrong. How should we solve questions like this? Whenever you get a question like this, 3 by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, then you change the division signs to multiplication. And you take this 3 or whatever number it is and use its inverse. So you'll write it like this again, change the division to multiplication, and take the inverse of 3, which is 1 by 3. Then again, change division to multiplication, then 1 by 3, then multiply again, then 1 by 3. So you'll cancel out the 3's. Then you'll have 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, which is 3 times 3. The solution to this is 1 by 9. This is the right answer.